Everyone, welcome to our channel Homelux. Welcome to our video on wooden wall decorating ideas for your living room. Wood is a timeless and versatile material that can add warmth and character to any space. In this video, we will show you a few ways to incorporate wooden elements into your living room walls and create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Let's get started. A wooden feature wall can be a great way to add warmth and texture to your living room. You can create a feature wall using reclaimed wood, pallet wood, or even shiplap. This can be a great way to add a rustic farmhouse or a coastal vibe in your living room. Another great way to incorporate wood into your living room walls is through wall art. You can find wooden wall art in a variety of styles from modern to traditional. Wooden wall art can be a great way to add a focal point to your living room and make a statement. Shelving. Shelving is another great option for decorating your living room walls with wood. You can use wooden floating shelves or a wooden bookcase to display books, plants, and other decor items. This can be a great way to add function and style to your living room. A wooden wall clock can be a great way to add a touch of your wood to your living room. It is both functional and stylish and can come in many different designs and styles from a rustic to modern look. As you can see, there are many ways to incorporate wood into your living room walls and create a warm and inviting space. A wooden ladder. A wooden ladder can be a unique and unexpected way to add some wooden decor to your living room. You can use it as bookshelf or as a towel rack in the bathroom. It is great way to add a rustic touch to your space and make it look more homely. Another way to incorporate wood into your living room wall is through picture frames. You can use wood frames to display family photos, artwork, or even prints. They can be a great way to add warmth and character to your space. A wooden frame mirror can be great way to add touch of wood to your living room walls. It can also serve a focal point and make the room appear larger. Mirror can be hanged horizontally or vertically. It depends on the style of your room. A wooden wall sconce can be beautiful addition to your living room walls. They are a great way to add some ambient light to your space and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. And it can be a great way to make your space look more complete. As you can see, there are many ways to incorporate wood into your living room walls and create a warm and inviting space. From wooden features walls to wooden shelves to wooden wall cones, these elements can help add style and character to your living room. A wooden mantle can be a great way to add some wooden decor to your living room and create a focal point for your space. You can use it to display artwork, candles, or even plants. So it is great way to add some character and charm to your living room. A wooden wall planter can be a unique and stylish way to add some greenery to your living room walls. You can use it to display small plants, herbs, and succulents. It is great way to add some life and color to your space and make it more inviting. A wooden sign can be a great way to add some personality to your living room walls. You can choose from a variety to design and message. Here are some tips for more elegant look. Number 1. Mix and match different types of wood. Incorporating different types of wood such as reclaimed wood, pallet wood, and shiplap can add texture and interest to your living room walls. Number 2. Play with scale. Use different sized wooden decor elements to create visual interest and balance in your living room. Number 3. Be intentional with placement. Consider the focal point of your living room and place your wooden decor accordingly. For example, if your living room has a fireplace, a wooden mantle can make a great focal point. Number 4. Layer wood with other materials. Combining wood with other materials such as metal or glass can add depth and dimension to your living room walls. Number 5. Add plants. Adding plants can make your living room look more alive and fresh. Number 6. Don't be afraid of color. Wooden decor elements comes in many different colors and stains. So don't be afraid to experiment with different shades to find the perfect match of your living room. Number 8. Keep it simple. With wooden decor, less is often more. A few well placed wooden elements can have a big impact and make your living room look more stylish. Number 8. Incorporate natural light. Wooden decor elements can look best when they are illuminated by natural light. Make sure your living room has plenty of windows and consider window treatments that allow for maximum light. Number 9. Consider the theme. If you already have a theme in your living room, make sure the wooden decor you choose will complement it. For example, if you have coastal theme, a wooden wall art of a beach can be a perfect match. Number 10. Mix vintage and modern. Number 10. Mix vintage and modern. Mixing vintage, modern wooden decor elements with modern decor can create an interesting and unique look in your living room. Number 11. Keep function in mind. When incorporating wooden decor elements into your living room walls, think about how they can also serve a purpose, like a wooden ladder can be used as a towel rack or a wooden organizer can be used to store mail or keys. Number 12. Add texture. Wooden decor can add visual interest and texture to your living room walls. Use different types of wood such as reclaimed wood, pallet wood or shiplap to create a textured wall. Number 13. Use it to create a focal point. Wooden decor can be a great way to create a focal point in your living room. A wooden metal or a wooden featured wall can be great way to draw attention and make your living room look more stylish. Number 14. Add personal touch. Incorporating wooden decor elements that you have made yourself or have a sentimental value to you can add a personal touch and make your living room more meaningful. So we hope these ideas have inspired you to add some wooden element to your living room and make it space you love. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.